Welcome back to another episode in my crazy kitchen. We are cooking steaks for dinner. I picked up about 3 steaks from the meat market. I froze one. I cooked these 2. I found some steak seasoning at the meat market that I wanted to try, so I used that. I also added some sea salt because the seasoning wasn't really salty, so I did that as well. I always like to try different steak seasonings, so started some potatoes. I had some potatoes sitting on the table, and I will have a bag of potatoes for a whole year, so let's just use these. Started to boil some water so that I can make mashed potatoes, and as you can see, I added avocado oil to the pan. I probably would not do that the next time because it was just not the flavor that I was looking for. Like actually fried the steak, and that wasn't what I was looking for. As you can see, I did add some rosemary to that water with those potatoes. Oh my goodness, I will be doing that from here on out, but in a different type of way. So I like my steak to be in the medium range, medium well. If I had to have it close to well done. But these were like over well done. And when I have a whole steak, I can eat a whole steak. But when I take the steaks and I slice them, I can only eat about 2 or 3 strips. I don't know what type of mental psychology that is, but that's how I eat my steaks now, sliced in strips. Adding onions with a little Worcestershire sauce, a little salt and pepper always makes everything taste a lot better because those steaks were very much well done. And as you can see with the potatoes, the rosemary kind of broke up in that water, but the flavor was so good. And I will be doing that from now on, but I have to maybe tie the herbs up before I do it the next time so that I won't be spending so much time picking pine cones out of the potatoes. Added some seasonings, and always a fun time when you add that cream cheese to those mashed potatoes. Makes it so creamy and buttery. And paired it up with a salad, and there you go. Those crispy edges were good, but it was very well done.